Bills and Sabre fans will have to show proof they've been vaccinated in order to attend games. Erie County officials adopted the requirement ahead of the fall season, but the decision is being questioned tonight by Governor Cuomo, who says the state would have to sign off on any mandate. Atia Collins is following this for us today. She joins us from Park Avenue. Atia, you talked to a lawyer who's right here.
Well, Maureen, the answer is not as easy as it sounds, and it's still very unclear. That's because governments do have the power to enforce a public health mandate if it is necessary to protect the general public health. But when it comes to COVID, the situation is still changing every day. It's very unclear where we're going to be in 4 months, and even the governor is questioning the legality of such a mandate. Most Bills fans here see mandatory vaccination to attend games as a way to get back to normal.
I think that's just the safest possibility for everyone so that we're all keeping safe, keeping healthy, and just staying on top of it.
But when asked about mandatory vaccination for private businesses, the answer's changed, most believing vaccination should be a choice.
That's a little tougher of a situation. I feel like should be up to the business owner. You know, private business owners, they should have the right to say whether or not they want to.
The question of whether governments and private businesses can mandate vaccines is not new. In fact, in the 1905 case, Jacobson versus Massachusetts, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of state mandatory vaccinations after Jacobson refused a smallpox vaccine. Attorney Michael Berger broke down the history of the case and says it all comes down to science.
There is a police power that the government has, and that they can exercise it in order to promote the general welfare, which you'll recognize as one of the phrases from our Constitution's preamble. But that presumes that the science justifies it. The million-dollar question here is, do these vaccines promote the general welfare? And I don't have that answer for you.
That same 1905 case is being used today in arguments for mandatory COVID-19 vaccinations. When it comes to the Bills and Sabres games, Erie County executives said the vaccine mandate is to ensure the safety of all fans. But Governor Cuomo has questioned the legality of such a move.
I just think it's early to make a decision months ahead. Legally, the state would have to sign off on it. Practically, we tend to do it as a collaborative.
For right now, the question of a mandatory vaccination policy is being left up to local governments, as on the federal level, the Biden administration has said there will not be a federal vaccine mandate. Reporting in downtown Rochester.